Kelly D, and today I'm going to share with you another quick, easy recipe using mushrooms. Today we'll be making garlic mushrooms. This is so delicious. This can be used as a side dish for either lunch or dinner, and it takes basically 10 minutes. Now before I go over the ingredients, I want to share with you this recipe over here. It was submitted by one of our subscribers. It looks delicious. If you have tried a recipe that I have done, I encourage you to send a photo to me so that I can also share it with everyone. Now let's go over the ingredients. We have about 1.5 cups of mushrooms. We have about 6 garlic cloves. We have half of a small onion chopped and half of a small sweet pepper chopped. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. We may not use all of it. A pinch of salt and a pinch of white pepper. Our first step is to cut our mushrooms. Now I just like to cut the mushrooms in half. It exposes the beautiful color on the inside. Then we're gonna chop our garlic. We make sure the garlic is the last thing that we chop, because the minute you chop it, it releases that beautiful, gorgeous flavor. Now we're going to get ready to saute our mushrooms. We're gonna add our extra virgin olive oil. I always love using extra virgin olive oil. So once that has gotten a little hot, and in no time it gets hot, we're gonna add the onion, add our sweet pepper. Now you know onion and sweet pepper smells amazing together. We allow them to saute. Wow, it smells so good. I wish you could smell it. Now we're gonna add our garlic. Add it as fine as possible. Saute together. Wow, the aroma, just gorgeous. Now we're gonna add our mushrooms. Mushrooms give such a meaty flavor. Excellent as a side dish, like I said, for your lunch or dinner. And just to make sure it's nice and balanced, we're gonna add our pepper and salt. Then we allow it to saute for about 4 to 5 minutes, and we are done. Our garlic mushrooms are done. Soft, succulent, juicy, so flavorful and nutritious. Now it's time to taste. Now let's get in there, get all those flavors. Delicious. I am always so surprised at how meaty a mushroom can taste. So if you're trying to go to a plant-based diet, I highly recommend starting with mushrooms. You will hardly miss the meat at all. Garlic mushrooms, now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes. And once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.